Hey guys, it's Addie
and Grammy,
and today we are going to be doing each other's makeup. And so Grammy's going to be doing mine first, and then I'm going to be doing hers. So let's just get right into it. Woo! Okay guys, so we're going to start by Grammy doing me. So I'm going to take off my glasses. I know it has been a long time since you guys have seen me without my glasses, but I'm going to put my glasses right here. There you go. Okay. So Grammy's going to be doing my makeup first. She's kind of not in the frame, but she's right here. She's here. And so lashes, we have moisturizer this is actually the moisturizer that I gave to her. Then we have some advanced eye serum right here. And then we have some more moisturizer filler, more moisturizer. Hold on. We have this is eyeshadow, some mascara. Alright, let's get right into it. Woohoo! Alright.
First, we're going to start off with moisturizer. We always have to take good care of our skin.
Concealer also. Concealer, I might use one.
We always have to take really good care of our skin.
Well,
anyway, so we always moisturize our skin. Take really good care of our skin. And you always take your moisturizer all the way down your neck. There we go.
So look new, guys. Oh my god.
Okay, and this is eye serum.
Eye serum. Oh my god, I need
just
so bad.
A little drop.
I'm not. That look good? Okay, that was creepy. Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna put a little bit of foundation.
Oh my god, yes, I knew that. I know.
So I'm just gonna dot a little bit of the foundation around her face.
I don't actually use foundation. I don't use concealer or foundation, really.
It just gets it all blended in very well.
My skin color is very hard to like find a good color, guys. I feel like, cause like I'm half Mexican, if you guys don't know. So it's like it's harder because some days my face will be like brown, like really like Mexican looking, and then other days it'll be like just like kind of like this. So it's like hard to find like a perfect color, because then
we'll take our blush
palette.
We'll add just a little bit of blush up her cheeks.
And after this, guys, just so you guys know, we're gonna switch because obviously you guys can't see Grammy's face.
So I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow.
Oh my god.
Okay, so I always take, this kind of opens your eyes up a little bit. I take a little bit of the blush color and put right underneath the eyebrow.
Oh my gosh.
And then I go in.
Wait, does it look good, guys? Oh my god, it's so mean!
Well, we're gonna close your eyes. And we're gonna blend it.
Oh my gosh.
Once we get them
what? What are you gonna blend it with?
With my finger. I use my finger to blend. Close. See how it just brings a little bit of brightness? Okay. And the colors, because you don't want a big blob of pink or a big blob of brown. Do another.
Oh, I look like that girl from The Grinch.
Cindy Lou Who?
Cindy Lou Who! All I need is a little short. This is crazy. Oh my god, I actually like it. It's cute.
Okay, now let's just do a little bit of liner to Now, do you want lipstick?
I guess.
I usually line the lips first, as you can see.
Yeah.
And then I kind of fill it in with the liner.
That's so cringe.
Okay, together. There we go.
Oh my god, you guys can tell such a big difference now.
You know,
Please look at my nails. They match my shirt, so. Alright. We better switch spots, guys. We'll see you guys when it's Grammy's time. Now it is finally time to do Grammy's makeup. So let's get on into it. Alright. I think I'm gonna do some lip liner first. Yeah. Grammy, lick your lips because it makes it easier. There you go. Okay. Okay. Ready? Girl, you gotta. You have so small lips. Okay. I'm just gonna. Here's what I do not like this. Why did you sign me up for this? Oh my god, I don't like this. Okay, Grammy, tell me how it looks.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, okay. Wait, keep on smiling. Then I can outline it so much better. Okay. I guess this is what it's like being a makeup artist now. Okay, smile. Okay, Grammy, tell me how it looks. Look good?
Beautiful.
Alright, now I gotta figure out what to do here. I'm actually good at putting lipstick on other people, so this should be easy. Okay, ready? Your lips are just so small. Tell me if I hurt. Okay, let me look. Let me look at your teeth. Okay. They're as yellow as can be, which is good. Alright, let me go this. What should I do? Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of blush because you know your girl gotta get some big blushy cheeks, you know. Okay.
Alright.
Anna Kendrick. You're gonna look like the next Anna Kendrick. There you go.
I don't know who that is.
Okay, ready? Go like this. Because if you go like that, it gives you like a better, like, pat. Your cheeks are so easy to work with. I like this. I like this brush. Okay, Granny, does that look good? Which cheek looks better, guys? Can you tell? I don't really think you can tell.
Oh, I can tell.
It's really easy to work with her hair, you know? Okay, I'm gonna kind of redo this one because it's not so much down like that. Ooh. Then we gotta do the next side. Ready? You got it, nice? Ooh. Okay. Okay, guys, so that's gonna end our video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn those post notifications on, guys. And we'll gladly see you guys in the next video. Okay, then we got it. Really rain. Anyways, so I'm gonna see if this works with my glasses, because you know your glasses have to approve. Do you guys see that? My eyelashes are literally stuck on the glasses. Every time I blink. Look.
You got long eyelashes.
Look at this, guys. It's literally stuck.